In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add your Calendly events to your Canva designs. This is a really handy feature, especially if you're looking to integrate scheduling options directly into your promotional materials. So let's dive right in. Before we begin, ensure you're logged into both your Canva and Calendly accounts. This is important since we'll be connecting these two platforms. Once you've got that covered, we'll move on to the next step. Next, head over to Calendly and locate the event you'd like to feature in your Canva design. It might be a meeting, a webinar, or any scheduled event you're planning. Once you've got that event in sight, go ahead and copy the event link. This link is what you'll use to import your calendar details into Canva seamlessly. Now switch over to Canva where your creative process happens. In Canva, open the specific design you're working on and where you'd like the calendar to appear. This could be a flyer, a brochure, or even a social media post, depending on your project. Once your design is open, the next task is to create a place for the calendar link to reside. For this, you'll add a text box to your design. Simply click to add this element where you envision the calendar to be. This text box is important because it will act as the container for your Calendly integration. After placing your text box, look to the top of your Canva workspace for an icon that looks like two connected pieces of chain. That's the link icon. Click on it. This is where you'll paste the Calendly link you copied earlier. Go ahead and paste the link into the space provided. Now here's where we make the magic happen. You'll notice there's an option for display mode right under the pasted link. By default, this will usually be set to link. What you want to do here is change that to embed. This change will convert that simple link into a live calendar within your design, allowing users to interact with it directly. Once it's embedded, you'll see your calendar transform visually on your design. Now it's just a matter of resizing it to fit your layout perfectly. Adjust its position until it appears just as you imagine, neatly integrated and ready for action. And there you have it. You've successfully added a Calendly event to your Canva design. It's as easy as that. Whether for professional or personal use, this feature is sure to elevate the way you present and share your events. As always, if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.